Hi guys, my name is Tracy and I am the Practical Prepper, and today we are going to learn how to store rice for long-term storage. You're going to need some big bags of rice. I got this from Walmart. They're about $11, and you're going to need a Mylar bag. Your Mylar bag needs to be between 5 and 7 millimeters. You can't use a little flimsy bag. You need to use a food grade Mylar bag. I got these from Pack Fresh USA, and they have different thicknesses, so it's a great place to shop. And then we have a bucket here, a 5-gallon bucket from Lowe's will do. This does not need to be a food grade bucket because we are using the Mylar bag inside of it. Your Mylar bag is your food grade item. If you're going to store directly inside the bucket without a Mylar bag, you would need to get a food grade rated bucket. So for our purposes, my dog is barking, sorry. For our purposes, this bucket is just serving as a hard shell on the outside of our food item to protect it from either getting punctures in the bag or from, I don't know, rats, whatever might attack your food. Okay, here's my 5-gallon bag. It comes sealed, so I'm just gonna open it up. And I'm just gonna put it inside the bag first. Okay, you're going to add an oxygen absorber. This one's 2,000 cc's. So you can do 2,000 to 2,500 cc's. We're going to put that inside. We're going to crush this down as much as we can. Get all the extra air out as much as we can. Then you're going to use flat iron. Be careful, don't burn yourself. Now I'm just going to fold it all in and put the lid on. And then don't forget to label it. I've already written it out. I put rice, 25 pounds, and I put May, oh gosh, I put 2025. I'm going to change that. So I put about 25 pounds of rice in on May of 2026. So that's it. If you do all that and you store it in a cool, dry place, this will last for 25 years. So this is great for your long-term storage, and it probably cost about $14 for the rice. And then the bucket with the lid was about $5 for the bucket. The lid was about $3. So that's how much this entire thing costs. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and let me know if there's anything you'd like me to do a video on, and I will try to get to it as soon as I can. Thanks, and I'll see you later. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, I thought you might like to check out this video next. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time.